Welcome back to Automotive. The 2026 Audi R8 Replacement doesn't whisper, it stares you down with silent confidence. Its redesigned front is no longer just an entry point, it's an announcement. The sharp LED matrix headlights glow like precision-cut blades, while the all-new illuminated Audi logo hums with electric intent. Gone is the traditional grille. In its place, a bold aerodynamic structure that cuts drag and maximizes cooling for its electric motors. In shimmering silver, the front looks clean, futuristic, and ready to dominate. Audi didn't just electrify the R8's legacy, it rewrote the rules. This is the dawn of a new supercar language. And the R8's successor speaks it fluently. Sleek, stretched, and surgically precise, the side profile of the 2026 Audi R8 Replacement screams high-voltage aggression. From the flared wheel arches to the bold crease lines, this isn't just a silhouette, it's a shockwave in motion. The sloped roofline tapers perfectly into a sculpted rear, and nestled near the rear fender is a discreet charging port, modern power wrapped in timeless proportion. It's still an Audi supercar. But now, it's supercharged by silence. Every vent, every curve, every cut speaks performance with purpose. The side view doesn't just show movement, it dares you to chase it. From the back, the R8's successor is pure electric drama. A seamless LED light bar stretches across the rear like a heartbeat of electricity. The active spoiler, poised mid-rise, signals serious downforce readiness, while the performance diffuser below grounds the whole machine in purpose. The absence of exhaust pipes isn't a compromise, it's a revolution. Subtle EV badging reminds you, this isn't powered by petrol, this is future propulsion dressed as a supercar. It's elegant. It's bold. And it's unapologetically Audi. Step into the driver's seat, and it's clear, this cockpit was built for thrill seekers and futurists. The flat bottom wheel sits ahead of a sharp digital display, wrapping around you like a high-tech cocoon. Ambient lighting in icy blue glows from every crease, highlighting the precision-stitched black leather with silver accents. The drive selector, minimalist. The controls, haptic and intuitive. It's race-inspired, but daily drivable. This is where analog adrenaline meets digital brilliance. As a true two-seater performance EV, the R8 Replacement keeps it intimate. The rear cabin area is tight, focused, and layered in premium Alcantara, accented with silver contrast stitching that ties into the exterior theme. There's no need for excess. Everything here exists to serve the experience, be it comfort, acoustic precision, or lightweight luxury. The ambient lighting continues to pulse softly, turning this compact rear area into a vibe. This isn't just a place to sit, it's a sanctuary built for speed. From above, the 2026 Audi R8 Replacement looks like it was carved by wind and electricity. The glass roof creates a seamless transition from front to rear, framed by sharp active aero lines that hint at performance lurking beneath. The silver finish catches the showroom lights in every curve, every slope, a symphony of light, metal, and motion. You don't just see engineering here, you see ambition turned into aluminum and voltage. At this angle, the 2026 Audi R8 Replacement becomes a sculpture in motion. The reflections of the showroom lights kiss its metallic silver skin, tracing bold edges and muscular haunches. The glowing Audi badge leads the charge, a literal beacon of electrified luxury. This isn't just another performance coupe, it's Audi's electric design language at its most expressive. It looks fast standing still, and feels like it's already in the future. The fusion of power and poetry has never looked so thrilling.